In today's video, I'm going to teach you Cinema 4D and scene-specific solutions. If your viewport is turning black, flickering, or generally not behaving, I'll walk you through reliable fixes that address the most common causes without overcomplicating your workflow. First, we'll look at your viewport rendering method. In Cinema 4D, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Viewport, and disable OpenGL. Some systems or drivers don't play nicely with OpenGL, and turning it off can immediately clear up display glitches. While you're in that area, look under Viewport, then Hardware, and adjust the anti-aliasing setting to None or 2. Lower anti-aliasing reduces GPU load and can eliminate artifacts or black frames in the viewport. After changing these settings, give the viewport a moment to refresh. If you've been working for a while, it can also help to briefly close and reopen the scene so the changes fully take effect. Next, check your scene itself. A blank scene with no lights will render as pure black, and untextured objects can appear flat or disappear into the background depending on your shading mode. Make sure there are one or more lights in the scene, and confirm that your key objects have materials assigned. If lights are present but disabled, or if they're hidden from the renderer, the viewport will still look dark. Similarly, if a material isn't actually applied to an object or a selection, you may think it's there when it's not. Take a moment to verify your lights are active and your materials are properly assigned. This alone solves a surprising number of black viewport cases. Finally, if you're using Cinema 4D 2025, be aware of a known compatibility issue with the Insta360 Sticker app. This specific plugin has been reported to cause viewport problems, including black screens. Temporarily removing or uninstalling Insta360 Sticker is a quick way to test whether it's the culprit. If the issue goes away after you remove it, you'll know you found the source. Be sure to restart Cinema 4D after making this change so the plugin state fully resets. To recap, disable OpenGL and reduce anti-aliasing if your viewport is unstable. Make sure your scene actually has light and materials so it isn't black by design. And for Cinema 4D 2025 users, remove Insta360 Sticker if it's installed. With these focus checks, you can restore a clean, predictable viewport and get back to creating.